Hey, how is it going everybody? It's Ahmed here at Dash Truck Colorado Springs location with another walk around video. If you like to stay up to date on our inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you like what you are watching, well, drop us a like. Today walk around will be for the 2014 Ford F-150 XL. It does have a set of new tires. Comes with two utility boxes on each side and one on the back of the bed, and also one considered as a safe or a utility drawer for different tools. Here at Dash Trucks, our vehicles are fully reconned. What we mean when we say that, we go through the suspension, braking, the engine, and the transmission component, and we make sure that everything is working as desired. Let's take a look at the interior here. Let's start it up. Four by four truck. It does have a power inverter too. Here is your WeatherTech floor mats. Very nice. Looking at the engine here, it does have a 3.5 liter V6 24 valve gasoline Ecoboost engine with 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. Alright, wrapping up this walk around. If you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle, the link to our website will be in the description, where you can view our full listing as well as our phone number. As always, thank you very much for watching and have a great one.